Welcome to this tutorial on updating your Pandora password. Whether you've forgotten your current password or simply wish to enhance your account security, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open the Pandora app on your phone. Once the app loads, look at the bottom right and tap the profile icon. Next, at the top right corner, tap on Small Settings icon. After that, select Account from the menu options. In the password field, remove your old password and enter your new desired password. Make sure your new password is strong and secure. After entering the new password, click on Save. You will then be asked to enter your old password to confirm the change. Type your old password and click on OK. Finally, your Pandora password has been successfully updated, and your account is now secured with the new password.